Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos, because I promise you it's lit over here. But today we are doing a hair review with Luvme Hair, and I must say, y'all, I'm feeling this install. Go ahead and hit the like button if you feeling this install, because I'm definitely feeling this install. So let's get into the specs. So they sent me over a 24-inch water wave lace front wig, and it is super transparent, y'all. I didn't put any makeup on this wig at all, and I'm dark skinned, and it's still blended in really well with my skin. I did not put a drop of makeup on this wig. Now let's get into how soft this wig is though. I'm talking it's giving charming soft. Like, when I say this hair is so soft, y'all know how curly and wide away for wigs, you know how they usually feel. This is unusual how soft this wig is. Like, love me. Y'all did your thing with this one. Definitely, I am loving it. So like I said, I didn't put any makeup on this. It was super transparent. I did not pluck this wig, not even a pinch of hair. I also did not bleach the knots on this wig. No makeup, no bleach knots, no plucking. What does that leave? Cutting the lace? Problem solved if you're not good at cutting lace. Luvme Hair does offer pre-cutting services, which is an extra $5 on your order. What's left after that, honey? All you gotta do is spray, put your mousse, and you can do a glueless install, which is what I did today. There's no glue on this wig at all. It's completely glueless. If I want to lift this up right now, I can, but I got it like so perfectly molded, so I don't want to touch it. But it's definitely glueless, y'all. Like, look, I'm gonna put up a little bit. It is glueless, completely glueless, as you'll see in the install. But like I said, I'm loving this wig. The only thing hard I did was this style. I just wanted to do something cute and funky, but you know, you can always just keep it simple and do a down style and be out the door ready to go. It's hot. The heat is heating, okay? The heat is heating, so we are for effortless wigs, and that's exactly what I was providing with Luvme Hair. So let's jump into the. Okay, y'all, please bear with my voice. I am sick, but right here I am showing y'all the packaging, how pretty it came with the pretty bow tied around, and we're just opening it up so that we can see what we're looking like. So here is the water wave texture straight out of the box. It was nice and soft. The hairline does come pre-plucked. Like I said, I did not pluck this wig at all. And the construction of the cap is standard. It has the 3 combs and adjustable strap, and it is transparent lace, super transparent. So I'm just starting off by sizing it up. I already cut off my ear tabs, and we're going to section out our 2 bang pieces that are going to hang out in the front, along with our side edges and a little bit of baby hair. I did go a little bit ham on the mousse, but we're doing glueless, so the more the better. We're going to go ahead and mold this down with the mousse, and once it's nice and dry, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to cutting off the lace. You just want to take your time and just go in zigzag motion so it can blend nice and seamless with your skin. Like I said, this lace is super transparent and it's already blending in. So I went ahead and cut the 2 baby hair. I'm only going to do 2 little baby hair pieces. The rest is going to be long pieces. Now that we got the baby hair done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some more mousse just to mold it a little bit more, since I have been manipulating the lace, cutting it and doing everything. So I'm just going to apply some more mousse just to remold it down. And on top of that, I'm going to use my hairspray, my lace melt spray from Ray Simone collection. Go ahead and check that out. If you are interested in doing a glueless install, it will be perfect. Next, we're going to section out our pieces for the crisscross braid design that I did. I think I pulled out a total of 6 pieces, medium size, not too big. I could have done them a little bit bigger, but I think I did. The size that I did is pretty cool. You can do any size that you want. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the ponytail, and I must say, y'all, everything must have been meant to be, because this is the first time I've ever done a half up, half down style, or even like any type of ponytail where I didn't have to redo it. Like, I literally did this ponytail one time. Like, it went up so easy. No lumps, no bumps. The stars must have been aligned, because I'm good for a good 5 tries. So including the 2 pieces that I'm going to leave down hanging, I did a total of 8 braids. It was a little tedious because they were kind of small, but it wasn't too bad, and it came out cute in the end. It was so worth it. Here is just how it would look if you want to do like the comb out look, which I absolutely love. I love a good comb out curly wig. But for the sake of this video, just to give you a review of how it looks when you wet it and how defined the curls get, I'm going to go ahead and wet it for you guys. Wetting this hair was a breeze. Like, I was really shocked at how manageable this wavy hair is. I didn't get any tangles and very minimum shedding, and the curls, they just got so juicy, and when it dried, it was so soft. Alright, so this is the hair after it was mostly dry, and I was absolutely in love. This style came out so cute. I really enjoyed doing this video. I enjoyed this wig. Thank you, Luvme Hair. And y'all go ahead and make sure you check the description box so you can check out this wig. Love you guys. See you in the next video.